Day 157 of Everyday Steak, a channel where I cook a steak every day for the only reason that I love steak. I did miss day 156 because I did 155 twice. I'm going to be cooking this New York strip in the cast iron and also be making another peppercorn sauce. I'm really loving the peppercorn sauce. I'm probably going to keep making it for a little bit here and there just because it's so easy to make and I think I'm getting pretty good at it. I am going to be cooking the onions and mushrooms in for a little bit longer. Try to get them a little bit more burnt than before. See if that makes a difference. I'm also going to be using white wine instead of cognac or brandy, but I think at one point I am going to have to try that out and see if it makes a difference. I think this one turned out perfect, and I am going to just dip my steak in the peppercorn sauce instead of drizzle it over.